Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do this one because it's somewhere between the relatively straightforward 3 charge problem and the more complicated 4 charge problem. So following the rules that I sent you, the number of field lines touching each charge should be proportional to the amount of charge. So for example, if I choose 4 lines of charge, 4 electric field lines for every charge, then if I have a +2, then I'm going to have 8 field lines. So I'll draw 8 lines coming off of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I also follow the second rule that they should be symmetric around any charge. So for the -3 and +3, I should have 12 field lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Third rule is that the field lines point away from positive charges and toward negative charges. So now I basically start connecting the lines. It's a little bit complicated, but here I've got about 1, 2, 3 field lines from the +2 that can be connected to 3 field lines from this -3. So I'm just kind of going to choose a few. So let's do 1 here, maybe something like that. 1 here, maybe like that. And 1 here, like that. And then here, and so we draw arrows right from positive toward negative. So they all point in that direction. Then I have, I don't know, 3 or 4 on the right side of this negative charge. I'll pick 3 or 4 from that charge. That'll be connected. There's a pair. There's a pair. There's a pair. And we're always pointing from positive toward negative. And I can keep going, right? I've got these pairs down here that look nice together. And these ones, there we go. And now you can see I'm getting off the page. I could try to connect, right? Like this one maybe curves out and then maybe goes around off the screen and then back into this negative charge here. That's the same idea. Maybe this +2 goes up and around and then attaches to this -3 one. And that's basically all I can really do without really leaving, right, the screen. So these ones I just kind of have going off in some random direction. I don't really know where. And they go out and away. Away from these positives. And now I know here, right, I can't connect the positive to the positive because those lines, they don't, we need to go from positive to negative, not positive to positive. So these ones, they're all just going to go out and away. Now, the thing I have to keep in mind is that, well, first of all, they should never cross. I'm not going to have any of these cross each other. And that when I go far away from these charges, I should once again be symmetric. But that's kind of hard to do when we're so zoomed in. So, there we go. So this I think is reasonable. It's kind of ugly. Maybe I would redo it with a better idea now that I know what it should look like. But that's sort of the general idea. So you follow those few rules and connect some lines, and it might be a little bit different, each time you do it or somebody else does it and they'll have different pairs connected, but roughly you'll get some lines from the positive charge touching the negative, some from the +2 touching the negative, and the extra ones just kind of go off into space. So that's the idea, I think. I think it's okay. All right, so good luck. I hope this helped. And yeah, have a nice evening.